Hey everyone, this is Matt. Welcome back to my channel, Blind to Billionaire. Today is April 24th, 2018. Today I actually wanted to give you just a quick video and share with you another piece of technology that I use and how I use it for me who has very low vision. So this could be for other people who are visually impaired. So anyway, as you should probably be able to see on your screen here, this is my computer. So I have a 27-inch monitor, and you should be able to see Google on the screen there. So this isn't actually how I use my computer. I actually use a different setting on my screen. So when I actually look at the screen right now, as I said, I have very low vision, but I do have light perception. So I can actually see that the screen is incredibly bright for me. It actually hurts my eyes to look at it. But I'll show you how I use the computer and this other setting that I use, so that actually allows me to use the computer a little bit more efficiently. So I actually use the high contrast setting, and I'll show you how to use that right now, or how to get to it. So I have Windows 7 Professional, so I don't think that really matters, but just Windows 7 is what I have on my desktop right here. So here I'll show you how to get onto the high contrast setting. So first we'll go to Start, and then over on the right side there is Control Panel. So we'll click Control Panel, and then a box will pop up. And by the way, I actually have somebody else helping me with the mouse work. If I was actually doing the mouse work, you'd be here all day waiting for me to be able to do this stuff, because I'm incredibly slow. So on this box here, you're going to see Appearances and Personalization. Under that, you want to click Change the Theme. So we'll click that, and then you're going to have all these different themes here to choose from. And then if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, there's going to be a couple different options called High Contrast 1 and High Contrast Black. I always like High Contrast 1, so we'll click High Contrast 1, and we'll give the computer just a second here. And then we can see that the screen has changed black. So this is how the screen actually looks black under the high contrast setting here on Windows 7. So it's a really nice feature if you're low vision. So I don't know how it is for other people who are low vision, but I know for me, anything that is high contrast, I'm actually able to see a little bit. But anything that is like the previous screen, just white, it's way too bright, and it's like I'm looking at the sun. I just can't see anything on it at all. But this high contrast setting actually allows me to use my computer a little bit. And as you should be able to see too, my mouse is the largest setting that I can find. It's pretty big, and again, it's white, as much white as I can have on it, so that it again is creating a high contrast setting for me. So this is another piece of technology that I use. The other day I uploaded a couple videos highlighting the Amazon Fire 7 tablet that I use. And the way that I use these two pieces of technology together is, so for example, let's say I'm looking at my email, or I want to read my email. What I'll do is I'll actually use my Amazon Fire 7 tablet, and I'll go to my email, and that one actually has a voice, a text to voice feature. So what I'll do is I'll go through my email, and I'll have the tablet read my emails to me. And then let's say I want to respond to one. Well, first of all, what I do is I go through and I delete everything that I don't want through my email, because it's a lot easier for me to navigate on my computer when I don't have all that extra clutter. So I'll have my tablet read all the emails to me, and then let's say there's one that I actually want to respond to. And then I'll come over to my computer, because when I type on my tablet, it just has that, the glass screen on just a device like that, and I can't actually feel the keys. So it takes me a really long time to type on that device, versus I could come over here to my computer and spend 3 to 5 minutes getting into my email and getting ready to reply, and then I can type out a pretty long email in just a matter of a minute or two, because I'm pretty quick on the keyboard. So that's how I choose to respond to emails and different things on my computer, because it's just, I find that to be the fastest. So that's just what I do. I find that that works the best for me. I use these two devices in conjunction with each other, just for the most efficiency for me. So then this is how it looks, the Google screen. And then actually down near the start button, if we can click on the Word document. So this is how this is how the Microsoft Word looks. So I also do a lot of typing on Microsoft Word documents, and this is how it looks. It inverts the colors here too. So that's really nice for me. The paper is looking black, and you can see my text I have written out there for you. So again, just a really nice way for someone with low vision to be able to use a PC and be able to use it and see what they're doing. It's also a lot easier on the eyes. That white screen, I don't know how it is for other people, but I know for me, it's just, my eyes just can't even stand it. I feel like my eyes are a little bit fried right now from looking at that white screen a few minutes ago. So yeah, so this is how I use my computer. And again, this is called the high contrast setting on Windows 7. So again, if you haven't checked out my other videos, check out the ones that I have about the Amazon Fire 7 tablet. I just have a few accessibility features that I've talked about on there. Otherwise, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave your comments or questions down below. And I personally answer every question or comment when they come in. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to watch for tomorrow. I will have another video for you. Thank you.